Welcome everybody, I am Francisco. This is how I use the dice. I'm using 5 dice and a little cup, no circle, nothing else. This is intuitive. I'm going to check some questions and do the examples here. Here's the key. So one question is, what's in it for me in the near future? I'm going to answer this for somebody else. In the near future, 1 being yourself, 2 being the people around you, 3, 5, 5. There's growth. When I have this little sequence, means moving forward. You, people around you, moving forward, working together. No obstacles, just a straight line into options. So this to me means creating a business, starting a project, working with others, moving forward with no problem, also with no goal in sight, just to see where it goes. Another question is, what do I need to know right now? Right now, it's about, I have a 6, setting goals or looking into the future. 5 means finding an option or a path into that future. And the 2, what I notice also here is the lack of things in the middle, which to me could be a shortcut. 1, 2, and then jumping the in between, the work, the effort, the trouble, and finding a easy objective or goal. Another question here is, how do people see me? Let's say we want to know how people see you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's as somebody who is growing, as somebody who's on a mission, who's on a straightforward path towards something which we don't know what it is. But definitely somebody who's moving forward, who's working out, figuring out, maybe somebody who has it figured out, but we still don't know where you are going. Another question is, why am I in this situation? The answer is you got yourself in this situation. The 6 being the situation that you are thinking of, and you being all around it, too much focused on it, or maybe not being able to get out. Not being able to get out because you are creating that situation. So maybe a better question would be what to do or where to look to get out of the situation. 4, 4, 4. That is like a wall in the current scenario, like the problems themselves, they look big, and the 1 being you and the 2 being where you are now. You feel like there's a big wall that won't let you get to where you want to go. That's what you feel. So what you should do is have somebody to back you up, somebody to guide you through it and face those problems. So seek assistance.